Hi, David Odell here with Odell Complete Concrete. Now we're going to do a little 10-foot diameter concrete pad for a fire pit. It'll just be a precast fire pit, probably run off of propane. And it'll just set in there in the middle, maybe put a few chairs around it. Then you have a nice spot after you jump out of the pool. And this is some of that plastic form that I reuse over and over. I'm not using the fasteners. I'm just going to run screws through it. It seems to work just fine. You know what I did with this is I had the circle already pre-built, because what I did is I used the pi formula on this situation here, and I just multiplied pi times my diameter, and that gave me my lineal footage of the entire circle. So I did that, and I just taped it all together, and I had a perfect circle at 10 foot. That was the measurement. Pi times the diameter gave me the length, which is 3.14 times 10. I think it was like 34 feet or something like that. But this particular concrete mix has the fiber mesh mixed in there. It's a 3000 psi, right out of Robertson's Ready Mix. Finished out real nice. As I ran this 4-foot bowl float, I noticed some low points here and there, so I just sprinkled back some concrete. So that's why you go through the process of all your different tools, because every time you hit it, you're making it better. Now we strip this out, since we are a raised pad, because what we did with this 10-foot diameter is we matched the elevation across the pool with the jacuzzi slab. So they're both 5 inches raised off of that pool deck. And then we just did a little dog print in there. Here it is. This dog's a mixture of a couple, I forget what dogs they were, but they looks like a really nice breed. Oh, by the way, we have the winner for the DeWalt tools that was in the previous video. Everyone that commented, we put all the names into the Google randomizer, and the winner is Tom Rowe, and he selected the reciprocating saw. The client here on this job site, they have a YouTube channel as well, and it's about trucks and modifications to 4-wheel drive trucks, and it's called Chloe Kuo. Check it out and see if you have any interest in that kind of thing. Here it is the next day. We've cleaned it all up. Now we're ready for that fire pit and a party. You could use that as a sundial too. Anyway, thanks for watching and have a good day.